Error 57 occurs when a machine is not licensed to run a particular program. In this case, Sony Vegas. Several factors can contribute to this error, including cache and old cookies, poor internet connectivity, and issues within the program itself. To resolve error 57, start by clearing cookies and cache. Open the Chrome browser. Click on More at the top right of the screen. Select More Tools and then choose Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time to delete everything, and check the boxes for cookies, other site data, and cache. After clearing the data, restart the computer and attempt to run the program again. If the error persists, it may be related to internet connectivity. Try restarting the router by unplugging its power cable, waiting 10 minutes, and then plugging it back in. Once Wi-Fi is restored, try running the program. If the issue remains, consider reinstalling the program. Go to the control panel. Click on Programs and Features, locate Sony Vegas Pro. Right-click to access the Uninstall button, and click it. After uninstalling, download the latest version from the official website. If none of these solutions work, further assistance may be necessary, and support can be contacted for additional guidance.